Good morning. Today I would like to talk to you about this. Yes, a lot of you are probably going, what is it? And some of you are going, it's an old Scantronic 9.1. They're obsolete. They weren't exactly brilliant. Well, if you consider that the Scantronic was one of the first panels to actually have a keypad rather than a key switch, they did very well. As I understand it, Scantronic really did used to make digital communicator receivers and digital communicators. But I was also told that they went round to alarm companies asking what they would like the ideal alarm panel to do. And that's where the Scantronic 9.1 came from. It had a lot of facilities that had never been heard of. As you can see, it's got an LED display. It actually has numbers coming up over here. Also, it has a keypad rather than a key switch, and it has the ability to do part set as well as a new feature of the time called chime. Yes, you might laugh now, but when it first came out, chime was unheard of. Anyway, this panel is got a few secrets. No, not just any Scantronic 9.1, this particular one. Let's show you it does actually work. Nothing exciting about that. It's the original code 1234. They all had it. But most Scantronics now are no enter than the code. Not this one. Straight into engineer's mode. Yep. It's still looking like they used to. But as I said, this one has a secret. Allow me to zoom in on it for you. Do you see it right there? Let's prop the panel up and zoom in even more for you. Yes, this panel really is serial number 000020. Yes, panel serial number really is 20. This was the 20th one off production line. It was actually made in 1985, in May to be precise. I know that because the sticker further down says so. There we go. It's date sticker, which actually means this panel is almost 35 years old. You want to know the interesting bit? This panel has never seen a wall in its life. It's been tested like it is now demonstrated, but it's never actually been installed. Not only that, apart from its original cover, I've still got, although it's grubby, let's zoom out again. Its original bag, and for those of you that remember, there we go, its original box with the same serial number of 000020. I acquired it 35 years ago, and I never actually got to install it. I was supposed to install it in a premises, and the job never came about. Because it was new at the time, it's like, well, what do you do with it? I don't know, let's put it down over here. And over here is where it stayed ever since. If you have any questions about it, or if you're actually from Scantronic, please get in touch. I'd like to hear from you. And as always, if you'd like to support the channel, buy me a coffee. Extra footage. Apart from the fact that the lid has nothing inside it, the newer ones did. They have a circuit description list and also the option numbers for the zones and its other parameters. This one can't do option 8 or 9 on the circuits, which I believe was beam pairing and I can't remember the other one. What's this? Circuit 1, enter. Option 7. Yep, that's not switched on, but it is available. Option back into circuit 1. Option 8. Can't do it. Option 9. Can't do it. Not sure if it can do this one. Option 36, mains fail indicator. Yeah, can't do it. Don't know if you know, but if you did option 36 and then 1, if you had a mains failure, it used to come up 1 and fault. People used to think it was 1, circuit 1 had a fault. It's not, it was 1 and fault, means mains failure. The Scantronics actually had a few options that weren't listed, but were really useful. Also, if you note, this one came out without an NVM. That's because they didn't have them. It was an optional extra. So if your battery was flat and you had a power cut, yes, it really is the original number 20 panel. Thanks again for watching.